Hi everyone, I'm so excited today. I had a friend of mine, LYNN, who lives in Miami. She sent me this package, and you probably know it was my birthday a few days ago, and she's just ever so thoughtful, you know. She always sends me something lovely. Last year it was, and you probably remember, lipsticks, and I'm like a child at Christmas. I'm so excited about opening that. So that box arrived today, this morning actually, but I was so busy working, and I left the pleasure for the evening. So there we go. I don't have a clue what's in there. I honestly don't. So that came from Selfridges. And it's good, you see, you don't have to send each other parcels like in old days. You can put a delivery address, and I keep using Selfridges for, you know, various things to send in Europe, and even in the UK for my team, for example. So that's a lovely yellow box, and I have a box like this, which is very, very big. I use it for. I basically sit in the box when it's so hot, and I have that really large box. I put my computer in there, and I leave it. Anyway, very typical packaging. Here to brighten your day. This looks like invoice. Because it's present, I'm not going to look at it. I will see what isn't actually in there when I open it. Open me. Happy birthday, beautiful Lara. Love, LYNN. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's so lovely. And you know what? I love this yellow packaging. It just makes you feel happy. Here we go. This is to add to my birthday cards. You see just show you there. Roses still. These roses the girls sent me from work. My team sent me, and some flowers in the living room. I've got in the hallway, in my office, a few bouquets. So it's been quite a good day for me. And exciting part. I'll just make sure I have a look. This is a lovely box. I love the packaging. But let me just not forget about the actual thing. So I bet it's a makeup. She always sends me makeup. Sisley. It looks like it's pencils. LYNN is actually very hooked on lipsticks and pencils. And I have a strange feeling, yes. Those are lip liners. How lovely. This is absolutely stunning color. Oh my goodness. It's a lovely color. It's so soft. It's a quality. Oh, it's lovely. And it's got a brush. You see how from unboxing straight into testing. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, beautiful. This is a number. I can't see. Sweet Coral, it's called. Sweet Coral. You know, Sisley quality, I've discovered, and that's again thanks to LYNN. She sent me one of the lipsticks, and I got so hooked on that. You know, the lipsticks that she sent me, crazy gift. You are crazy, LYNN, you know, but in a lovely way. I wish there were more crazy people like this, giving each other, you know, happy moments. It's lovely. Thank you. And their pencil sharpeners are extremely good. They're exceptionally good, actually. I have one already. Do I have Sisley eyeliner? I think it's eyeliner I've got. And I can feel that this is something different, so I'm going to leave it for dessert, so to say. And this is another one. Looks like it's another one. Oh, so lovely. They are so beautiful. And this one is, gosh, it's so soft. This is a proper, it's like a dark very dark rose, almost raspberry, but it's it would be lovely with any rose lipstick. Ruby, yes, ruby. That's pretty. They all are. Oh, this is lovely coral as well, and this is. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can only imagine what's in there. Hermes lip. You're mad. Well, I know LYNN is absolutely hooked on Hermes bags, not just makeup. Try this way. This is classic Hermes. I was talking to her about this lipstick, and I think I mentioned several times on my videos that I haven't. For many reasons, I decided not to buy it. I heard such various reviews, and some people are absolutely over the moon with this. But to actually get it as a gift, it's so much more pleasant. It's beautiful. It's lovely. The packaging is Hermes is always superb packaging. I mean, you can't fail those. And this is very nice. Very luxurious. And that is, I heard about that so many times, and I saw so many reviews of that, and I always wanted to hold it. I'm gonna sneeze. I always wanted to hold that, though there are many more lipsticks with color. I need to look at the color. I didn't know that this color is going to look so beautiful in real life. When I looked online, and that's one of the reasons I didn't get Hermes lipstick. I wasn't sure about the colors. And which one is that? Beige Tadilakt, number 16. Interesting. So now I've got Hermes lipstick. I never had that before. Thank you, LYNN. Quality is lovely. You can feel that straight away. Thank you so much. And I always wanted to hold that and have it like that. I'll have to do a proper swatch because my makeup's gone a little bit, I haven't got proper makeup today, just a little bit on my eyes, to be honest. And I'm going to certainly try that. And I do proper, this will go well with either of the contours, actually. This is probably more suitable contour to that. This is lovely. This is lovely. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Interesting. Beautiful for summer, for spring, and basically anywhere, anytime. I am so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. LYNN, you are absolutely incredible person, but you know what? It just, I know it gives you pleasure as well. It gives you pleasure to give something. And I'm really, really excited. Thank you so much. This is lovely. So separate review to come on that. These two pencils, absolutely gorgeous. And I think they are right for that lipstick. So that's number 16, beige. It's not really beige. It's got a little bit of orange in it, but it's nice. Nice. Look how satin is. It's not shiny, but it is. I want to try my lips. Oh gosh, it feels so comfy. Fantastic. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, LYNN. Спасибо. Большое спасибо. as we would say. And certainly separate review is coming on that lipstick. I didn't expect anything. I really haven't. And you know, you shouldn't have done that. I keep telling you. But she's one of these people who give. This is lovely. Thank you so much. So review of these two pencils, how they feel on the lips, how they stay on with this lipstick. And certainly when I get myself back together, my face more or less in a normal way, I will do Instagram pictures as well as YouTube. There we go. Thank you. Bye bye.